Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use Fiverr to sell. So I got a question on one of my YouTube channels about how you can switch over from buying on Fiverr to selling on Fiverr. And it's very simple and easy, but before the process was different, back in the day when like the old Fiverr, but they've updated their features and things have slightly changed on the website, so it can be a bit confusing. And a few people are going through the same thing when it comes to Fiverr. They don't know how to switch, so I'm going to share that with you now. I'm not personally selling on Fiverr, so I don't have a seller's account yet, or I think I set it up before, but I'm not too sure. I can't remember. But anyway, we're going to go to become a seller here. Okay, so basically the first thing that you're going to want to do is sign up for a Fiverr account. And if you haven't yet done that yet, click the link in the description below this video, get signed up to Fiverr. And then once you've done that, you have to go to this corner over here, where you're like usually where your picture is, right in the right hand side, as you can see. And you're gonna come across this scroll down menu, and where it says become a seller over here, you're going to click that. So once we click that, it's going to take you to this page right here. Okay, so you click over here where it says become a seller, you click that again. So once we've clicked that, then you're going to have to basically fill out some basic information. So you go to continue, and then you go to let's just read a bit of what it says here. Okay, so as you can read, it tells you a bit of the things that you have to do, like gives you tips on how to improve maybe your gigs or how to get more clients by putting a face on your name, upload a profile picture that clearly shows your face. Okay, so maybe this is what you have to do to qualify. So let's just continue. Now, I don't usually use Fiverr for selling. I used to before, a long time ago, but recently I haven't. So because features have changed on here, um I'm kind of like seeing how this goes as I go along, to be honest. So it says, now let's talk about the things that you want to steer clear of. Your success on Fiverr is important to us. Avoid the following. Okay. So providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity, opening duplicate accounts, okay, soliciting other community members for work on Fiverr, requesting to take communication and payment outside of Fiverr. Okay. So, okay. So my name, Louise Evans, is already here. You put your full name. Okay, so I'll just put obviously this is a description of what you do. So um okay, so let's say for example, if I wanted to, let's say if we got the Vidly software, okay, and we wanted to help people rank their videos on YouTube. Okay, so I help people. Oh no, okay, let me start again. Okay, I have lots of experience. I'm just writing this at the top of my head, guys. This is just an example. So I have lots of experience in YouTube and video marketing and help people rank their videos fast on Google and YouTube. Now, obviously, this has to be more specific, like not just that. Like you obviously, You can say that you're experienced in ranking videos. You can say that you're experienced in internet marketing or affiliate marketing, or traffic generation. So you can say, yeah, I have lots of experience in when uh, when it comes to traffic generation using YouTube and video marketing. Okay, because YouTube marketing is a form of traffic generation. And basically, what you're doing is you're helping other people do that by using Vidly, because we know how to use Vidly, so we can literally offer that service to the people on Fiverr. And a lot of people don't know how to rank their videos. A lot of people don't have um, products like Vidly. Sorry, there's a bug next to me and I'm trying to get it away from me. It keeps flying towards me while I'm doing this video. But yeah, I was sorry, I got distracted there. But basically, yeah, many people don't have this tool, so they don't know how to rank. But because you see, that's why education and knowledge and learning about tools, learning about softwares will give you an advantage, because then you can not only offer a service, but you can also use those tools for yourself, for your own marketing purposes. Okay, so I don't want to be blabbering on. I just want to get this video done. Okay, so languages, yep, English fluent, continue. I'll just say video marketing, other, and then viral videos. Let's just see, put viral videos because it's kind of under that. Okay, so and then skills, I'll put um, marketing, and just put just put expert, digital marketing. Oops, digital marketing, ad. Okay, that's it. Not sure what this is, but digital marketing no. Oh my god. Sorry, this bug, there's literally a bug that keeps like going for me and just sorry guys. Oh god, this is crazy. Okay. So digital marketing, Instagram marketing experience, let's just put, no, let's not go for Instagram just put internet marketing. Internet marketing, there we go. Experience, intermediate, ad, social media marketing, yep, that's a part of it. And that's about it. Let's just leave it. Actually, let's put YouTube marketing, because that's mainly what it is. YouTube marketing, yeah, that's a good one. And then just put expert, because obviously you're an expert in that field. If you know how to rank videos, you're considered as an expert, really. You don't have to know any of this SEO, backlinking stuff. And even backlinking SEO is not that complicated as people make it out to be. It's actually really simple. It just takes a lot of time. But then again, there are softwares that do all of that work. Okay, so this is under lead generation, so we're going to mark that. And we're going to continue. Okay, make sure you've added your years of experience to okay, so yeah, this is where you have to type in your experience. I'll just put other, and then I'll put from 2000, and I'll just put the year 2005 to 2021, just put that. Okay, and then this is just for example purposes, guys. Okay, make sure you've added your years of experience and 2 to 5. Oh, okay, sorry, I forgot the skills. Okay, viral videos, lead generation, um, business tips, and then just put other. Okay, that should be, oh, that should be done now. Okay, I don't really want to connect that, so I don't think I have to do that. Finish. And that is literally it, guys. And then finish. I think that's done now. So yeah, now I think we just have to wait for, yeah, and now, okay, so once you fill that in, you just go to this gig title. So I will rank your videos. Okay, wait. I will rank your videos. Okay, no, I will do keyword research and rank your videos in seconds. Because the reason why we say I would do keyword research is because we want to find the keywords that are going to be very easy to rank for our client, and we will be able to rank for them. And not just that, but those keywords get traffic as well, if that makes sense. And we can literally charge like $60 for this. Okay, so video animation, no, it's not that. Digital marketing, social media marketing, and then service type. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I think it's just put social content and then put YouTube and then scroll down. YouTube marketing, video marketing, social media marketing, rank videos. Yeah, because when you put rank videos, a lot of people search that when they want services like that. So these, by the way, these are the tags that people are searching into Fiverr. So it's important to get these correct. Rank your video on YouTube. Rank, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's already 5 there. So okay, forget that. Go to, I'm gonna put rank your video on Google, because that's probably what people are typing in, right? Everyone wants to rank their content on Google. It's a no-brainer. So YouTube marketing, video marketing, rank videos, rank your video on YouTube, and rank your video on Google. I'm going to save this. Mandatory. I did already do that. I don't know why I put YouTube. Content type. Oh, I haven't done that. Video. So we're going to go down and hopefully see if that saves now. Tag list cannot contain 20 characters. I see. Okay. Okay, so we're going to put rank video on Google. Rank video on YouTube. Hopefully that will work. No? Weird. Okay. Rank on YouTube. Rank on Google. Save. Okay, that should be done now. That's done. So yeah, in a nutshell, I think that's done. Yep, that's done. So in a nutshell, guys, that is how you start selling on Fiverr. It's that simple. It takes about 5 minutes to do. It works. And that's about it, guys. My battery is really running low, so I'm going to quickly run to get the charger. And I just bashed my leg, so okay, so the battery is really low and I had to quickly charge it before it runs off, cuts out. But yeah, So that's basically it in a nutshell. And then what you want to do is then you could do packages. So you could do 5 videos, rank 5 videos. Now, how long does it take to rank video? It takes less than a second to rank a video when you get the keywords and everything. But what you can do is you can sell your packages. So for one video, you can do like you can charge $30. For 5 videos, you no what like one video $30. 4 videos you can do like a discount of like, I don't know, $100. Okay, that's $20 knocked off. And then like, I don't know, 6 videos for like, I don't know how much, whatever. Okay, you can do packages basically. You can either do packages or you can give more with a specific each one video, if that makes sense. Like one video I can do keyword research, and I'll rank your videos, and also I'll give you something else. But mainly it's better to do like, what I would do is, so for the basic, I'll do 1 video. For the standard, I'll do 3 videos. And then for premium, I'll do 6 videos. Okay. So it's 1 and then 3 and then 6. Now, you don't have to do it that way. It's just that's personally what I would do. But you can do it whatever way you want. And then once you've completed that, then that's completed, and you will start making money with on Fiverr, literally. And all you do is you get Vidly software, and you can start making money with this, literally. Okay. So, and then what you can even do is you can create a separate YouTube channel promoting your service, okay, to get more traffic and more sales, like SEO services. Like, if you go back to my other videos, I share with you in my video where you can find keywords, okay, and I will be doing another video on that. But basically, in a nutshell, you can find keywords, really good keywords that you can easily rank for, okay, that people are searching for. And then you can literally rank your video first page to target people that will be interested in your service, target them, and then get them to buy your Fiverr gig. How cool is that? Okay. And that's basically how you do it. Okay. So in a nutshell, you're using Vidly to do everything. You're using Vidly to promote your gigs, and you're also using Vidly to rank other people's videos. It's as simple as that. Okay. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, some really cool content that I have. And if you haven't yet got Vidly, get it now, because it's, if you're doing video marketing, and you're doing your YouTube channels and you're not using Vidly, you're missing out. Seriously, you're missing out. And I would highly recommend to get the pro version, because that's where you're going to really be able to take it to the next level. And it's so much better. I got the basic version and I got the pro version, and I'm so happy that I upgraded to the pro version, because you just get so much more out of it. Through that niche analysis tool, it just makes life so much easier. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope that it's answered the question that I received on my other video about how to actually sell on Fiverr. And thank you so much, and I will see you in more videos soon.